Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to calculate moving averages in Power BI step by step. By the end of this tutorial, you'll not only understand how to add moving average calculations to your own reports, but you'll also see just how powerful and flexible Power BI can be for analyzing data trends over time. Whether you use this for sales dashboards, web analytics, or pretty much any dataset with dates, you'll be ready to impress your team with dynamic insights. Let's dive right in. First up, before we do any calculations, we need a table of sample data. If you don't have one ready, a super easy trick is to hop onto ChatGPT and simply type, "Give me a table sample for moving average." Within seconds, you'll get a neat sample you can use. This is especially handy if you're just experimenting or practicing, since you don't have to wrangle real business data just yet. Once you paste that sample table into Power BI, you'll see it listed in your Fields pane. For this tutorial, I've already loaded that sample. Let's say it's called Moving Average Table. Having a clear, straightforward table here makes all the following steps much smoother, so never underestimate the importance of neat data. Now we need two key measures to get started. The first one is total sales, which adds up all your sales values across the table. The second is the 7-day moving average, where Power BI calculates the average for the current day and the previous 6 days. This is a popular approach for smoothing out fluctuations in your data, helping you spot real trends and patterns instead of getting distracted by daily ups and downs. To create your first measure, right-click on the Moving Average table over in the Fields pane and choose New Measure. This opens up a formula bar where you'll paste your total sales measure. If you're following along with the ChatGPT example, you can copy exactly what's given there, but make sure to adjust the column names so they match the ones in your Power BI table. Sometimes the sample might say sales amount and your table just says keep an eye out for those little differences. Take a moment here, double check your syntax, then hit save. Great. Now let's add the moving average calculation. Again, right-click on the moving average table, select New Measure once more, and paste the 7-day moving average formula. Just like before, check that your column names line up and modify any parameters as needed. For example, if you want a 14-day moving average instead, you would adjust the range in the formula. But for now, stick with 7 days for clarity. Hit save and you're almost done. With both measures in place, it's time to pull everything together. Click the checkboxes next to your date column, sales column, total sales measure, and moving average measure so they all show up in your report table. This brings together the raw data and the calculated insights side by side, making trends visually easy to spot. You might want to resize your columns now just to make sure everything's readable and lines up nicely. This part only takes a moment but makes a huge difference when you're presenting your dashboard. And that's it. You've just built a dynamic moving average calculation in Power BI, giving you a clearer picture of your data trends. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button. Got questions or want to see more Power BI tricks? Drop a comment below. I'm always happy to help out. And if you want to keep leveling up your data skills, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a new tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.